I was reviewing my doorbell camera footage when I noticed something strange. For 17 minutes straight, a low, raspy voice whispered to the camera. It was a man's voice, speaking softly, but urgently. The words were unintelligible, but the tone was unmistakable, a mix of pleading and menace. I checked the timestamp. It was 2:47 a.m. No one was at my door. No one was in the vicinity. Just the voice, whispering into the camera's microphone. My skin crawled as I listened, wondering who it was, what they wanted. I deleted the footage, took a long, hot shower, but the voice echoes in my head still.